Jai Gurudev students, very good morning to all of you. Today I will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 2, Land, Soil and Water Resources. Today I will explain you the next part of the chapter, that is soil. In the last class I have explained you students about the land and the different forms of land. Okay? Now what is soil? Soil is the loose fine particles of weathered rocks. Okay? Students, 2.5 centimeter of thick layer of fertile soil is being made by thousands of years. That means 2.5 सेंटीमीटर फर्टाइल सॉइल बनने के लिए thousands of years लगते हैं students. So, how important the soil is? So, when the rocks converted into fine particles, it becomes soil. Now I will explain you the formation of soil and its different profile. What is soil profile, students? The different layers of soil is known as soil profile. With the process of going through these different layers, the soil is being made. Okay, now I will explain you. See, this is the picture. These are the small grasses, or we can say the small plants, right? This is the first layer of the soil, which is known as horizon A, or in this soil humus is also present. Okay, now what is humus? Humus is the dead part of the plants as well as the animals get converted into humus. Okay. Now I will start with the first part, that is with the parent material. See, students, this part which is very big, right? This is known as parent material or horizon C. In this, these are the big rocks. You can see these big rocks are converted into some small particles, right? And these big rocks are also known as bedrocks. Okay, this is known as what? Bedrock. So these big rocks are converted into these small particles. Again, these small particles become more small and fine. So this is known as the subsoil and horizon B. Now, with this subsoil, again with the process of conversion of rocks into small particles, they become more fine, and this make the topmost layer of the soil, which is the fertile soil. This soil is most favorable for the growth of the plants. Okay, so this is known as horizon A, and in this soil humus is also present. This is not known as humus, but in this soil humus is also present. Okay, again I am repeating. First, rocks are there, and this part is known as parent material or the horizon C, or we can say bedrock at the bottom of the layer is present, and this is converted into subsoil, which is again a small particles, but this part is not very fertile, students. Okay, again these are the same rocks which is converted into small particles. Again they are converted into more fine particles and become a soil. I have told you now how much time it will take. 2.5 centimeter of thick layer of soil is being made by the thousands of years. Okay, so this is a very slow process. Okay, now after this we come to the next topic, that is types of soil.